Hello and welcome. My name is Sethi and I am the University of Missouri Extension Nutrition and Health Specialist. I cover DeKalb, Clinton, and Caldwell counties in the Midwest region. Today I'm going to prepare a very simple and healthy recipe. It's called yogurt parfait. I personally love it because it's healthy and super easy to make. My 6-year-old niece and 10-year-old nephew can make it themselves, and they'll enjoy it a lot. It's a breakfast recipe, but I also sometimes eat it as a dessert. Um, it's um, For this we need fruit. You can use fresh cut fruit, which is sliced into bite-sized pieces. You can use frozen fruit, but make sure it is the unsweetened fruit, and it needs to be thawed and drained before using it. Or you can use canned fruit. Make sure that it is canned in water or in its own juice, because we need to watch for those added sugars when using canned fruits. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of fruit. I am using frozen fruit. It has been thawed and drained. I have blueberries, peaches, and strawberries. The next ingredient is yogurt. This is vanilla yogurt. 2 cups of vanilla yogurt is what is required for the recipe. But you can use strawberry or any other flavor of yogurt that you like. If you have plain yogurt, you can drizzle some honey on it to use for this recipe. The recipe is serves 4 individuals. So if you're making a parfait only for 2 people, then you cut it down to half. So you can use 1 cup of yogurt and 1 cup of fruits. And then for the crunchy element, you can use chopped nuts, granola, or a cereal of your choice. I am using Honey Nut Cheerios. These are gluten-free Cheerios because my husband is gluten intolerant, but you are free to use whatever crunchy element that you like in this recipe. So I'm gonna make half of the recipe. So I'm using 1 cup of fruit and 1 cup of yogurt. Um, so we'll start by scooping yogurt. I have 1/4 cup measuring cup here. So I'll take 1/4 cup of yogurt and put it in the glass. I'll take another 1/4 cup, and put it in the other glass. Then we're gonna take the fruit. I'm using this 1/8 cup, so I'll use 2 scoops of it. So 1/4 cup fruits in both the glasses. Then again, we'll use more yogurt. So 1/4 cup of yogurt. And then 1/4 cup of yogurt. And then we'll divide the remaining fruit in both the cups. And then we will top it off with the crunchy element, which is the Cheerios. Voila, your yogurt parfait is ready. According to the American Dietary Guidelines, every adult requires 2 cups of fruit per day, and children require 1 to 2 cups depending on their age and sex. So this recipe will provide you half a cup of fruits for the day, and every adult requires 3 cups of dairy per day, and this recipe will provide you half a cup of dairy requirement for the day. And thank you. Enjoy.